Hey guys, I'm Shravya Gunipudi and you're watching Almost Destiny. Today's video is going to be about the 5 places that you can visit in Hyderabad without even getting out of your car. I thought that this video would be relevant because not only do we want to get out of our homes, but we also need to think about trying to be safe. So I thought, why not travel and find out some of these places and visit them before I recommend them to you? And trust me when I say it wasn't just these 5 places that I had hit the jackpot with. I had to see a lot more other places before I could finalize with these 5, which I think are definitely worth your time. Also, these are single day trips and you do not need to spend an entire night in your vehicle or in a hotel, so it makes it even more safe for you to go during these times. So, are you ready? Follow me. The first place on this list is Vikarabad. I know that a lot of you already know what Vikarabad is. So basically, in Vikarabad, the one good thing is that it's not only just 80 to 90 kilometers away, it's also such a serene and beautiful place that you can take your entire family just to have a picnic in your car or even outside. Because even though you may find that there are many people in Vikarabad, it so happens that it's such a wide area that even if you find groups of families, you will still find a safe spot where you can take photographs, have lunch, and some of the key places that I always like to visit whenever I go to Vikarabad are the temple. It's very famous, and of course, if there's too many people there, you probably will not be able to visit. But definitely, the temple is an excellent spot. Behind the temple, there is a trekking spot that you can go to with your friends or family, and that is also quite adventurous. It's a lot of fun, and it's also very safe. Other than that, there is a point you have which helps you see the entire village, the town, and you have a lot of greenery out there that makes it all the while all the worthwhile for you to actually go and visit this place. So do check out Vikarabad if you haven't done so already. One small tip, on the other side of Vikarabad, you have Anantagiri Hills, which is basically just an extension. It has lush greenery and it's an excellent spot for you to drive around. Singur Dam. So, if you are living somewhere close to Gachibowli, I can tell you it's around 80 kilometers from here. Singur Dam is really, really beautiful. I very recently stumbled upon it. I thought that I wouldn't find any water there because it's not the season, but that is not the case. You will definitely get to see at least a little bit of water, and the dam is gorgeous right from outside. You also have the Bhagirathi Water Project, which you can see from outside. It's a very beautiful building. It's a very beautiful set of buildings, and the drive to this dam is very picturesque. The trees, the greenery, and all the woods that you come across are amazing. So I definitely recommend that you go to Singur Dam. You can again have a picnic on the car. There's a bridge that on both sides you'll find water, and across the bridge you will see the Singur Dam. But that's not all. If you go straight ahead from the bridge and take a right, you can also go towards the dam, park your car, and go inside. So you'd be walking on the dam or at the top of the dam, and you can see water below you. It's very beautiful, and I definitely recommend. Up next is Medak Fort. Medak, when I think about Medak, I always think about Patancheru, I think about traffic, but I never really thought that it would be a place that I could visit and have a fun day out with my family or friends. I was pretty wrong because Medak Fort is such a beautiful heritage. It's lovely when you go inside. There are a lot of steps, so definitely be warned about that in case there are older members in your family. But if you get to go to the top of the fort and you get to go a little bit of trekking in there, you will definitely see the topmost point, which shows a large part of the city, and it is a scenic beauty. And one small bonus tip here is if you are definitely going to the Medak Fort, I recommend also visiting the church. I think a lot of us who are from Hyderabad know that the Medak Church is very famous, and rightfully so. It's a very huge building. It feels very holy, and I would definitely say do visit the church as well. The next place on my list is the Pocharam Lake. So I did come across this when I was going through some of the places that I can visit in Hyderabad, and I was a little apprehensive because I didn't expect that the Pocharam Lake would have water in it. But I'm very glad that I actually went, and this is like a 2 or 3 hour drive from Hyderabad, Gachibowli. It's one of the most beautiful lakes I've ever seen. So what you have to do when you go here is remember that the map is not going to take you there directly. You're going to struggle a little bit, but it's like a half kilometer inside, and all the localites know where the lake is. So don't give up. Just ask them, park your car like half kilometer away, and then you will be able to definitely visit this lake. I recommend that you go on a warm day and that is not too hot or too cold. And finally, Samudra Lingapur waterfalls. One tip here though is I would recommend not visiting if it is not the season for having waterfall or water, rainy seasons, etc. The reason behind this is it is completely dry when it is off season, and unfortunately, because we did not check with this before, we had driven all the way to this Samudralingapur waterfalls and we did not find any water there. It was complete rocky terrain, which is also beautiful. But if you're going with the hopes of seeing a waterfall, definitely inquire before starting. The drive is very peaceful, the scenery is very gorgeous. So overall, if you just want to go on a 2 to 3 hour drive, I would definitely recommend visiting Samudralingapur waterfalls. So there you have it. 5 places that you can visit within Hyderabad and in the comfort of your own vehicle and without getting out or not being safe. Always remember, these are tough times for all of us, but we can only get out of it together if we're all staying safe. So enjoy yourself, but be careful. The scenic beauty is very